Welcome! In today's video, we'll show you how to send WhatsApp images as documents. This feature is useful when you want to send images in their original quality without WhatsApp compressing them. By sending an image as a document, you can ensure that the recipient gets the exact quality you intended. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Make sure your app is up to date to access the latest features. Step 2. Once WhatsApp is open, navigate to the chat or group where you want to send the image. This could be a friend, a colleague, or even a group where you need to share the image. Step 3. In the chat, tap on the ** attachment icon at the bottom of the screen. This is the paperclip icon that you typically use to send media or documents. Step 4. After tapping the attachment icon, you'll see several options. Tap on the document icon. It looks like a piece of paper. Step 5. Now, tap on Choose from Gallery. This will open your phone's gallery where you can select the image you want to send. Step 6. Browse through your gallery and select the image you want to send. Once you've selected it, the image will be attached as a document. Step 7. Finally, tap the send icon check at the bottom to send the image. The recipient will receive it as a document, and they'll be able to open it without the image being compressed. That's it. You've successfully sent an image as a document on WhatsApp. This feature is perfect when you need to share high-quality images without any loss in resolution. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more WhatsApp tips.